Hello everyone, Namaste. Whenever you practice gratitude in your life, just do it for the sake of it. Do not do it because you'll get some benefits out of it. Just like when we care for someone, we are not thinking about the benefits we'll get from it. We just do. So practice gratitude with pure intentions. In my videos, whenever I tell you why you are doing something, what benefits will gratitude bring you, that's just to clear your concepts and not so that you do it thinking what benefits you will get. Remember this. I'll see you next time. This is Aditi Gupta signing off. Thank you.